Super weather.
Plenty of sunshine to go around for us here on this Thursday. Hopefully you get a chance to get out and enjoy it, but it's going to be a hot afternoon as we are moving through the day. Those numbers climbing quickly. You'll notice as we get into the midday and afternoon hours, numbers into the 90s today, and we'll see our high temperatures this afternoon climb to about 94. We do have added humidity, and that's what's going to make it feel even more sticky and more uncomfortable, especially as we get into the afternoon. Futurecast is nice and quiet. It's bright sunshine all around. Temperatures, though, as mentioned, are really going to be heating up. Now, if you are going to be outside for any bit of time, make sure you're wearing sunscreen because the UV index today is still quite high. Temperatures into the mid-90s for us here in the Metroplex. We've got some low 90s for you in spots like Paris and Sulphur Springs. 92 today in Athens. Also looking at temperatures into the low 90s in spots like Cleburne and in Hillsborough. But once you factor in the humidity, it's going to feel much, much worse. We're looking at heat index values or feels like temperatures this afternoon. This is at 4 o'clock near 100. So just be prepared for that. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water and taking some breaks from time to time in the shade and in the AC. And this looks like it's going to be a thing for us as we move through the next couple of days as we are wrapping up the week on Friday. Again, high temperatures in the mid-90s, but our feels like values up close to 100. And then through the weekend, temperatures going to continue to hold steady in the mid-90s, but our feels like values again up close to 100. Do want to take you to the tropics because we've got something to talk about. We're watching two areas in the parts of the Atlantic. This area just off the coast of Florida does not look like it's got great odds of development right now at 20% chances of development there. The greater concern is this area that's down into the southern Gulf of Mexico. This one has a 40% chance of development in the next 7 days. The water temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico very, very warm. That certainly will aid in development. This may add to some shower and thunderstorm chances as we move into the early part of next week. So something, of course, we'll be watching closely as we move through the next couple of days. As we get into the early part of next week, we may see some scattered showers and thunderstorms push into parts of North Texas. I think the better chance for that going to be for areas south and east of the Metroplex. So we'll look for that Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday of next week with temperatures back in the low 90s.
Sign up for super weather.